Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an admin to Facebook page. We'll figure out how to do this step by step, so follow along. First, open your Facebook app on your PC or mobile device. Next, click the three lines icon located at the top right. Next, switch your account to your Facebook page. After switching it, click again the three lines icon, and then after that, click the gear icon to open settings. Now scroll down until you find page setup and click on it. In here, click the page access. Now click the add new beside the people with task access and then click next. After that, search for people you want to make admin and click on it. Finally, choose what you want the person to manage and click give access, and there you go. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.